We are the staff from the Carmarthenshire Complex Neurotherapy Service,
working in partnership with Burns in the community.
And this is day one of the brand new Butterfly Effect project at Parker Box, Kidweli.
John and Burns as a company want to enrich the lives of people and pets across the UK. We hope that projects like the Butterfly Effect offer opportunities for groups to come together and be inspired and involved in meaningful experiences that make a difference.
The long-term aim is to create a community garden for the visitors of Parker Box. We're going to build a raised flower bed with a butterfly theme. Everyone will be working as a team on this bigger project, but they each have individual therapeutic goals and will be using different activities to achieve those goals. As occupational therapists, we help people to achieve their full potential after illness or injury through participation in meaningful activities. We put the person at the centre, focusing on their strengths and interests to achieve their goals.
It was just nice not to be judged. Definitely helped my coordination and speaking with other people. What I've got out of it is friendship, knowledge, and people that understand.
It's something for them to do, to socialise with other people who are in the same situation as what they are. Even though they need help to do things, you know, their minds work fine where they can say what they want to do. It's been a happy, friendly group. The girls have asked every week to come.
It's only week 6, but it's proven to be really good. Already we've seen improvements in confidence, improved mood and more positive outlooks for the future.
Well, I felt a bit nervous coming here, because everyone's fine. Everyone's happy and willing to talk to one. But you got these motor skills, because my eye coordination is not really good, so it helps a lot and could you help with confidence.
As occupational therapists, we're very much aware that the social and physical environment can result in occupational deprivation. So we wanted to create opportunities where individuals feel empowered to self-manage their condition. So today the group are constructing the butterfly boxes, but are also working on their planning and organisational skills. They are learning strategies that they can apply to their everyday life, such as learning how to manage their fatigue through pacing themselves. But equally important, they're also sharing their skills and teaching others, and improving their feelings of self-worth by doing so.
Well, meet the new people. It's been a challenge doing stuff. Good working with other people and showing them what to do, and they're learning as well.
Good to see other people that they have challenges just like me every day. I learn to use drills, putting things together. I love painting, and it doesn't matter what I paint, if it's a picture or the fence, I'm happy to do it. It's just good to see the boys that they accepted me, and we are happy to work together, and we work well together.
Before we came, it was the one thing I thought, I had second thoughts about it, and now I've been, it's well worth coming to. I look forward to coming. You know, everyone seems happy and smiling, so it picks you up a bit. So I like showing the people here what we was doing. You know, it's nice to, if you know how to do something, to show someone else. I was a little bit upset when the session ended. I thought, you know, I could have could have gone for another hour or so. It was good.
We're the Carmarthen branch of the Hywel Dda. No, I'm not.
It's fine.
Like in
It's fine.
glance, yeah, I know.
Yeah, have you got our legs in it?